The trouble code P1453 in a Nissan vehicle means that the DPF differential pressure sensor is severely clogged and most likely requires replacement. The problem usually starts with the two flexible pipes attached to the sensor degrading heavily because of high temperature exhaust gases being routed through them, and they start falling apart internally and throwing debris to the sensor, basically choking it and changing the readings. Fortunately, the problem is almost never with the DPF itself or anything more expensive. The sensor is about 50 euros and the two pipes will cost you about 10 euros, so the repair is not that expensive. The problem is that in the 1.5 liter K9K engine, for example, the location of the sensor is awful. It's mounted on the back part of the engine behind the turbocharger, and you will need to take out a lot of pipes, battery and even filter box to be able to replace the sensor. But fortunately, in the Nissan Juke, you can take off these pieces of plastic and get to the sensor much more easily and faster. So how does this thing work? It has two pipes connected to it. One pipe takes exhaust air before the DPF and the other pipe after the DPF. Then the sensor compares those two readings and the ECU makes a conclusion if the DPF is clogged and needs regeneration. Driving with the P1453 code for a long time is an extremely bad idea, since the expensive DPF may eventually be fatally clogged. So you may actually solve this problem on your own, but please don't forget to replace that two flexible tubes and also the clamps on them whenever you replace this DPF differential pressure sensor. Otherwise, the sensor will be clogged again in no time.